Good afternoon. Today we are cooking chili beef with rice. So we have made the sauce, garlic, chilies, and we got some soya sauce, tomato ketchup, all organic, some sesame, spring onion, we got peppers, onions, we got the coriander, we have in the wok, we have to fry the rice, boil the rice, and then we're going to be frying the chili beef, which is already soaked in soya and egg and some brown sugar. So let's do the frying of this chili beef and see how it comes out. So we're gonna put some organic rice, basmati rice, to go with this as well. The rice is boiling, oil is on, and we're just gonna be doing the chili beef and chucking them into the flour. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna be tossing them. So this is 200 grams of flour, corn flour, chili beef, right over there, and soon to fry. So this is the chili beef now frying. So I am just about to fry this for like 3 to 5 minutes. Add the rice, and then I will put the sauce and the onions after this in for the gravy. Nice deep frying. Chili beef is now done, so I'm gonna start to put the peppers, tomato, and onions into the wok. And transferring it to a bowl. Okay, got our onions and our peppers going, rice is going, chili beef, and we will transfer them once they are all nicely cooked. So we're going to be adding the chili beef into the onions and the peppers. And while we're doing that, we're going to add the chili and soya sauce as well. Okay.
It looks delicious.
Yeah. So now we're going to add a bit of spring onion, a bit of coriander, some coriander, and a bit of coriander leaves, some coriander leaves, and that should be our chili beef. So that is our spicy chili beef, our basmati cooked rice, and let's enjoy. So let's dish up. So chili beef with a nice Italian red wine. So thanks for watching. Cheers.